They say timing is everything, but what if love always comes at the wrong time? When you're not ready, or when you've already learned how to let go. Back then, I thought waiting was proof of love. Now I know, sometimes it's just another way of breaking your own heart.
Alam mo, Mira, ang tagal ko nang gustong sabihin. Ang tagal ko nang hibang. Kasi habang lahat dumadaan lang, ikaw hindi. 7 years. 7 years na kitang minahal. Pero hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin alam kung kailan mo ako makikita. Huwag na. Alam ko naman yung sagot, di ba? Na hindi ako nung gusto mo. Pero sana kahit isang beses lang, maalala mo may isang bigay ko na naghintay. Tahimik, pero totoo. Mahal kita, Mira. Yun lang. Kahit alam ko di mo ako pipiliin.
Bakit galit, Lucas? Wala naman ako sabi sa kanya. Ano bang hindi mo mag-gets, Nico? Hindi ko naman kailangan sabihin pari-paramdam yun. Ano ka ba? Ay na nga problema mo eh. Torpe ka, Lucas. Laging late, laging tahimik. Pero ngayon ganito ka. Pagsabi, hindi ako torpe, Nico. Alam ko lang amatrap pag alam ko tayo. Tandaan mo yan. O ba? Takot ka lang lumaban. Takot lumaban? Sino ba affected dito sa atin? Ikaw namumuro ka na eh. Nung bata pa tayo, ganyan ka na. Hindi ka na nagbago. Tandaan mo tong araw na to. Muna akong kikitayo.
Was there a lifetime waiting for us in a world where I was yours? Paper plates and porcelain, smell of rain through the window pane, and the sight of you. Oh, you were a good dream. I was scared to lose you.
Lucas?
Secrets turn into regrets. Buried feelings grow.
Lucas, it's been a long time.
Yeah. 2 years, I think.
You still remember?
Hard to forget, lalo na pag ikaw.
You're still using the same pickup lines.
Old habits.
How's the music?
Still playing. Hindi na nga lang kasing galing. Pero overall, ayos lang naman. Ikaw?
Freelance writing stops for bands. Kinda boring pero stable.
You look okay.
I am. It took a while pero yeah. I think you should go before I start your life.
Yeah.
Because not everything is
I should probably go.
Yeah. He looks so tired.
And you?
Weirdly calm.
Alam mo, yun yung mangyayari talaga kapag you stop expecting an apology.
Galing mo talaga yun, no? Minsan
Minsan lang, pero seryoso. You good?
I don't know. Parang may part sa akin na gusto ko siyang kausapin, pero alam ko tapos na.
Then talk. Pero don't expect magic. Minsan kailangan din natin na tahimik lang na version ng sorry. And alam mo, minsan naiisip ko kung si Rico pa rin yan. Huwag mo nang pigilan sa sarili.
Wala na yung test. Si Rico, okay na siguro siya. Ako na lang ata yung naiwan.
Sa dinami-rami ng mga tao, sa hinaba-haba ng panahon, at sa nilawak
Dito pa rin pala favorite spot mo na.
mundo,
You still remember.
hanap kita.
About kahapon. Sorry kung biglaan.
No, it's fine. Maybe we just needed that.
Umalis ako kasi akala ko success would fix me. Umalis ako kasi akala ko kapag okay na ang lahat, giging okay na rin ako. Pero ang ending, hindi pala.
You're not perfect, Lucas. You just had to stay.
So, what now? Friends?
Let's not label it. Let's just forgive.
Guess that's the right thing to do.
Good luck, Lucas.
Good luck.
Sa dinami-rami ng mga tao, sa hinaba-haba ng panahon, at sa nilawak-lawak ng mundo, nahanap kita. Kung iisipin mo, paano nagkatagpo? Gaano kaliit ang pagkakataong mangyayari ito? Oy, kiss! Na ikaw ay aking makasalubong.
Yan. Wala, nagdumilim siya.